Thieves have hit Washington County businesses hard. In Tigard, cases are up by 60% since Governor Brown declared a state of emergency. Because of the state of emergency, Washington County's district attorney is taking action to address the upward trend in property crime.
Thieves take advantage of businesses and individuals during the state of emergency that will elevate those crimes to the felony level.
According to the DA's office, this Tigard business has been burglarized 4 times since April. Tigard police are well aware of the problems at Four Wheel Parts and other businesses. Sergeant Jared Prater of Tigard's Commercial Crimes Unit says they are working hard to protect the community.
We're still out there. We're still doing our job. We're still assigning cases, investigating cases. We're still out talking to people, and we still are making arrests for these crimes.
Jeremy Gerard of the Oregon Retail Crime Association of Oregon says this state is not unique.
We certainly work closely with other states, and it seems pretty consistent across the board that there seems to be an increase in individuals and groups taking advantage of this time.
The hope here is that word will spread that people will pay for their crimes.
If they are caught, or if they talk to one of our detectives and we determine that they've committed one of those crimes, they're going to get arrested and they're going to go to jail, and there's going to be consequences to pay for that.
Art Edwards, KGW News.